Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Walmart haul and a Dollar Tree haul. So I was live today, it's Wednesday, and I said I was going to go pick up some jewelry findings, but I also wanted to find some other stuff at Walmart. Okay, so we're going to start with Dollar Tree. I picked up this purple holographic paper, wrapping paper at Dollar Tree. I picked it up the first time. I picked it up before. I thought it was clear, but it's actually wrapping paper. So I was hoping it was the cellophane, the holographic cellophane, but it's not. It's paper. So I like the color though, and I did enjoy using it to ship my goodies out, so for my winnings. So I saw more, and I picked up 2 more of the purple, and then I picked up 3 of the, it looks like cream or pink or something, but I picked up 3 of that. And then also with the wrapping, I picked up some of the tissue paper. Running out of the right tissue paper. All I have is Christmas now, so I picked some of that up. I got this color assortment, so we got pink and polka dot, blue and stripes, and then I only picked up 1 of those. I don't know why. And then I picked up, I think four of this, because this orange is really pretty, so I picked up 4. I like the orange and the aqua. So that's 5 packs. And then I struck gold. I found hand sanitizers. Yes. So I picked up 2 of this one and 2 of the green. What's the difference? I really don't know. But that's what I picked up. And I think I have another pack. Let me see. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. I also picked up this pack of lemon scented hand sanitizers. It's a travel pack, 2, and there's 2 fluid ounces in each. I also picked up this travel disinfectant 75% alcohol spray solution. So I picked up 1 of those just so when we're going in and out of the stores. I had a hand sanitizer that was this size, but I'm like down to the very last drops. I think it was actually 1 fluid ounce, but who knows? Who knows? Okay, so let me move these bad boys out of the way. I'm so happy I got them now, because I've been going to that Dollar Tree forever just trying to find it. Hand sanitizers. Anyway, something not paper related. Look what I found. Look at what I found. I don't know if this is the complete set, but I thought this is adorable. There's a bathing suit and some swim shorts, and then we have the picket fence with the flip-flops. I thought that was cute. I would love to somehow incorporate this into like a wall display or something for my bathroom. I think that would be so cute. So, and this, look at this the tiki bar. Tiki bar, like like Abby. But anyway, it has this little surfboard. It even has a freaking martini, a bucket of sand, and a shovel, and it says bar. I thought that was so cute. And then the little outhouse says welcome. And little life preserver and some flip-flops. So cute. And this is the best one. It's the house, the sandcastle. So cute. I love that. I mean, if they come out with more, look at the detail. There's like seashells here and a starfish, and there's also the texture of the sand. Look at that. So cute. I love it. I love this whole set. That's the first I've ever seen a beach set. Okay. More stuff from Dollar Tree. I picked up, 1 bubble wrap the Jot brand. I should have got more, but I just picked up one for now, just for this week's giveaway. I also found these lovely butterflies. This will be so cool in fall. They're all the fall colors. I got me a third purple pineapple because I only had 2, and then I went back and they had brought in, I guess, a new case. But I like things in 3s, so I picked up one more. It's gonna go on my wall right behind this camera. I've also found these fun little bow toppers or whatever, package toppers. I've seen them before, I just never picked it up. Yes, it was $1 each, but it's okay. You know, whatever. It is what it is. I thought it was super cute, and I could throw this onto an embellishment onto a rosette or something. Let me show you. Let me just be more specific. Like, look at this. Look at that. Look at how fun that is. With no extra work. I'm wondering why this is so high compared to the others, which are a lot more flat. But look at how pretty, guys. Like, oh my god, I love it. Okay, so yes, I still have extra rosettes. The other thing I found new to me, because I don't know if anybody's hauled this, but these are pencil holders. And I was trying to figure out how in the world is that supposed to hold a pen. It looks so short. But oh my gosh, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh yes. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so cool. Yes, baby. Can you see that? Isn't that cool? I thought that is so cute. I mean, even if you put it lengthwise, the short way. Nope, can't stack it. But anyway, I picked up 2. It came in this clear and black. And I didn't want black, so I got the 2 clear. That'll be for my desk right here. Let's just put these all back in there. All right. Let me see. I did put some stuff up in the food aisle. I got a 2-pack of the lasagna trays. We like using this when we barbecue. And then my son wanted some fluffy stuff. I thought I'd pick this up for my husband because he likes these as snacks. These are the sunflower seeds. And yes, my son, because he went with me, he got some gummy bears. And also a pack of oatmeal cookies with the frosted top. Yep. And then I don't know if this is new or what, but this pack has seahorses, sharks, whales, and little crabs. I thought that was cute. I think I'm going to be throwing some of this stuff into the flat mail for Friday. I picked up another pack. I thought I'd throw these into the envelopes also for flat mail. And I think I picked up 2 of that one. I grabbed the white with the yellow ribbon, these little sacks that they have in the baby shower section. And I got the pink. Okay. And let me see. I picked up Father's Day cards also, but I don't want to show it. I just don't want somebody to accidentally see it. So anyway, I got 2 of the Congrats blow-up balloons, and they come with the stick and the ribbon. So I picked up 2 of those. Let's see. Okay, so now we're going into Walmart. So let me grab. All right, let me move this out of the way. I didn't like the baby blue that they had of this one. I just didn't like it. I didn't like the mint. So I got another case right here, and this is for my other 12 by 12 collection that I haven't put away yet. So I grabbed another one, Walmart, $4.90 something. I don't know where's the receipt. It's probably in my purse. Anyway, I grabbed that case, extra case. They had a whole stack of it. And this is exactly what I went out to get. The jewelry wire. This is 98 cents. I grabbed 2 of these. Where is it? I'm the worst sharer. Anyway, I grabbed 2 of these. I found the double-sided containers that Louisa shared. They're $1, guys. So I grabbed 2 of those. I found jump rings, but as I was looking at them, I said, I don't think they're big enough still. So that is also why I grabbed this wire. I did find some beading needles. There's 2 in there, so I grabbed that. I found these jump rings. I've never seen this style of jump rings before. They kind of have that twisted wire texture on there. There's 3 sizes. And this is just the second pack of the gold. I grabbed these bad boys. They're also $1. And these are great also. I mean, you know, you can use it for whatever. But with all these little doodads now that I'm finding and using, I need containers. I picked up more eye pins and head pins. I got them at Walmart before. This is the same pack. I just picked up one. I grabbed 3 of these. These are all $1. $1 each. They're the glass jars because I didn't have any to share glitter. I mean, not glitter. Confetti mixes. And yes, they had chain, guys. So I picked this up. This was $2.98, I believe. And it's just a second box. All $1. So this was $2.98. So very inexpensive for rebuilding your jewelry stash. I grabbed another set of these alphas, these thickers. I love these things. So I had to pick up another pack because I've been using it lately. And that will do it for my haul, guys. Thank you all for joining me. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you. And I hope to see you all on Friday for our Friday giveaway. I sound horrible, but I'm sorry. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.